Hello students, in this video we will see the basics of number system. Okay, so this video is useful for standard 9th and CERT. So basics of number system means a number is a mathematical object. Mathematical object means it can come in the form of 1 2 3 or 1001 or 1 lakh. It can come in any form. So a number is a mathematical object used to count, label and measure. So whatever we are seeing in the world, that is all on the numbers. So everything is related with the number. Here we will do quick review about various types of number. So I am giving you different types of number. Apart from that, there are so many other numbers also. So first is natural number, that is known as the counting number also, and it is denoted by capital N. I am using red color for explanation. So capital N is denoted for natural number, and if n is there, so n can be defined as n is equals to curly bracket open 1 2 3 dash dash dash. So there is no limit. There is no limit means natural number has no limit. If we will say highest number is 1002, so next one will say other than that or greater than that. So there is no limit for natural numbers. Now next is whole number. So if we include 0 in the natural number, then it will become the whole number. So W, what is the notation for whole number? So W, capital W is the notation for whole number, and since 0 is included in this, so W is equals to curly bracket open 0 1 2 3 up to dash dash dash, and it has also no higher limit. We can also represent these natural number as well as whole number on number line. So as we know, in number line there will be a 0 in between, and there will be positive values on the right hand side and negative values on the left hand side. This is our right hand side and this is our left hand side. So 1 2 3 4, they will come 1 2 3 4, and like this these type of numbers all will come on the right hand side. Okay, so this is the way how we can represent whole number and natural number on number line. Now next one is integer. So integers means the collection of all whole numbers, that is positive, 0, negative of natural numbers, they all are called integers. Means in integers positive, negative as well as 0 will come. If we say only positive integers, then only positive number will come. If we say negative integers, then only negative number will come. Okay, and they are denoted by, somewhere they are denoted by capital Z or somewhere it is I. So if we say positive integers, so they can be represented as I plus. If we say negative integers, so they can be represented as I minus. Plus and minus will be placed overhead of I. But if we say simply Z or I, so it means all positive and negative, they all are included in this bracket. So how we can represent it? So integers are represented by capital Z or I, where capital Z or I is equals to curly bracket open dash 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 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0, then after 0 all positive values will come, and there is no end on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Okay, this can also be represented on number line. So 0 will come in between and they are equally placed. If we say what is the distance between 1 and 2, so the distance between 1 and 2 is same as 2 and 3, is same as 3 and 4. Okay, like this. and here also the distance between 0 and minus 1 is same as minus 1 and minus 2, minus 2 and minus 3, like this. Next number is rational number. So rational number can be represented in the form of p by q. Okay, and where p and q, they are integers, means they belongs to capital I. And a special thing is that in this q is not equals to 0. Q should not be 0. If q is 0, then we can't say that they are in the form of rational number. Okay, so first and foremost requirement, you have to see whether q is 0 or not, or whether we can represent a given number in the form of p by q. P by q may be or may not be, then we will represent, then we will say that this is a rational number. So q is equals to, it will be represented at q is equals to curly bracket open p by q, such that p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. Example of this can be 0 by 1. So 0 can be, we can write 0 as 0 by 1. Yes, no? So since we can write 0 as 0 by 1 and here q is not equals to 0, so we will say that 0 is a rational number. Then minus 1 by 2, yes, because as we know minus 1 comma 2, they all are integers. 3 by 2, yes, because as we know 3 and 2 both belongs to I. Clear? So they all are rational number. Now we can represent rational number on number line also. So again, between 0 and 1 by 2, they are equally placed, or distance between these two is same. 1 by 2 to 2 by 2, it is same. 2 by 2 to 3 by 2, same. Or as you know, 2 by 2 can be represented as 1. 2 by 2 is equals to what? 1. Okay. So this is about right hand side RHS, and this is for LHS. The same thing will be on the left hand side also. So through this we saw different type of number. They are natural number, whole number, yes, integers and rational number, and how we can represent on number line, this we have seen. So some important facts which are related to these numbers are, every natural number is a whole number, yes, because natural number is start from 1 and whole number start from 0. So whole number includes natural number. Every whole number is a natural number except 0. Yes. So since in whole number there is 1 0 which is not required for natural number, so if we eliminate 0, then it will be same as natural number. 0 is a whole number but not a natural number, yes. Every natural number is an integer, yes. So every natural number, as we know in natural number n, which type of digits will come, 1 2 3 dash dash dash, so they all are integers. 0 is neither a negative nor a positive integer, so we consider 0 is a we can't say 0 is positive, we can't say 0 is negative. Okay, 0 is a rational number, since we can write, yes, since it follow the rule of rational number, where p upon q, p q are integers and q is not equals to 0. So since q is not equals to 0 and 0 can be represented as 0 upon 1, which is, however it is equals to 0, but it can be represented as 0 by 1, so it is a rational number. Every natural number, whole number and integer is a rational number, yes, because 1 can be represented as 1 by 1, 9 can be represented as 9 by 1. Okay, suppose it is minus 101, So it can be represented as minus 101 by 1. By 1 means we can represent any number by 1 or divided by 1, because when we divide by 1, so there is no effect on our given number. Okay, number will be as it is. So we can divide it by 1. And since here we are doing purposely, we want to show that it has some value of q. Yes, q can be represented in the form of 1. Means q is not equals to 0, and since q is not equals to 0, so it will be rational number. There are infinitely many rational number between any two given rational number. So we can't say that there is only 2 rational number or 3 rational number between 2. So there are so many. This we will see in further videos. Now there are some MCQs which are based on number system. So first is every whole number. So every whole number is a rational number. Yes, every whole number means we have already seen 0. 0 is a rational number, and other digits 1, 2, 3 or maybe any other, they all can be represented in the form of p by q. The number 15 belongs to, it can come in the form of natural number, yes, whole number, yes, integers, yes. So all of the above. Which of the following is not a rational number? So rational number, this is a rational number, yes, minus 7 upon 1. This is also a rational number. This is also a rational number, but this root 2 is not a rational number, because root 2 doesn't belong to integer. Okay, root 2 is irrational number. Root 2 is irrational number. So this is all about of this video. Just we will give quick recap of this video. So what we have seen, we have seen different type of natural number, different type of numbers, natural number, whole number, and how we will represent on number line. This we saw. Integers, rational number, okay, and how we can represent this on number line. Important facts about the number system and some MCQs on number system. Okay, hope this video will help you. Thank you.